Well, it is a very big project. You are talking about a complete new line from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. It's 400-something kilometers. There are many engineering details which need to be worked out. How is the line going to be designed? There are many operational details which need to be worked out. Who's going to operate the company? How are the companies going to be structured? Is it one company, multiple companies? Is it one side, two sides? There's also the financial issues which have to be worked out, which means where is the funding going to come from? Debt, equity, government. How is it going to be divided between the two parties? There's also structuring issues to be worked out. For example, do we have Singapore build our part and Malaysia build your part and we join together in the middle? Or do we have one company build both sides? Do we have the same company operating the trains and owning the trains? Or we have the company owning the trains and then somebody else operating them? What happens to the rail rolling to the tracks? How does that interface? What about the control arrangements? I mean, where will the trains be controlled? What are the arrangements in case of contingencies? There are solutions to all these problems because there are other such train projects which cross borders and which involve more than one government. Channel train from London to Paris. There are many other trains in Europe which cross borders. China to Hong Kong. There's a high-speed train. So that high-speed train going to come. So there are precedents, but there are issues which we have to work through and resolve. And we have to discuss and apply our minds and decide what is best for our circumstances. And this takes some time. We're working hard at it. Papers have to be written and consensus reached after considering all the relevant factors to make sure that the project runs well. So I don't see them as insoluble problems. We're getting there. We just need a bit more time to work everything out.